Now we are going to discuss question number 6.18, and in this question it is given to you the bob of a pendulum is released from a horizontal position. Clear? So we can say, let's suppose I am assuming this as a bob, clear, and let's suppose this is a point from where we are actually from with respect to this bob is actually rotating. Clear? So now we can say a bob of a pendulum is released from a horizontal position. Okay, if the length of a pendulum is 1.5 meter, length is given 1.5 meter, what is speed with which the bob arrives at lowermost point? So let's suppose after some time this reaches up to this point. Definitely we can say here we have this length 1.5 meter, clear, and we have to calculate here speed v, clear. Now you can see when this bob will reaches point B from point number A, we can say this move under the influence of a gravity, and gravitational force is a conservative force, so you can apply conservation of mechanical energy, but here it is given that 5% of its initial energy is dissipated against air resistance. It means now you cannot say that potential energy of that bob is completely converted into kinetic energy. Clear? Actually you will write like this, that energy at B, it should be equal to 95% of energy at A. Clear to everyone? Because 5% of energy is dissipated. Clear? So now we can say half of m, I can say this is V square 95 by 100, and we can say this is equal to mgh. Clear? We can say m and m, this one is cancelled out. So from here we can see this is 190 by 100 and multiplied with g. I am taking g10 and value of h. Value of h you can say this is 1.5 meter, or we can say this is 3 by 2. Clear? So from here we can say or you can also write like this is 1.5. So directly we can say this is 15, this one and this one cancelled out, so 15 into 19 divided by 10, and this is v square. Clear? So from here you can say if we multiply 15 9, we can say 135, we have 13, so this is 2 divided by 10, so we can say 28.5. Clear? So can we calculate value of v? Yes, this is given by under root of 28.5. now square root of 25, this is equal to 5, so approximately we can say 5 point something. So from here let's suppose I am saying 5.1 meter per second. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question. Clear?